everyone, welcome to another clean with me video, and today we're going to be cleaning and decorating the living room for the holiday. And this time of the year is my favorite because not only is it Christmas time, it's also my birth month, December 31st in the house. Whoop whoop whoop. I got my eye set on you. Alright, so we're gonna get started, and the first thing I have to do is to take down the curtains for washing. It's incredible how much dirt our curtains collect over the months, and oftentimes we don't even think to wash them regularly. So that's the first thing I will do, and then put them in the washer and dryer to clean. Okay, so I wasn't expecting this, but after I took down the curtains, I realized quite a bit of dust on the blinds, so I will clean the blinds with my LA Awesome spray. I absolutely love this spray for all things cleaning. It's a multi-purpose cleaner and does an excellent job each time I use it. And of course, I'm going to take that opportunity to also wipe down the whole area, you guys, including my beautiful mom-in-law's picture. Love, love, love her. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum using my Insane wireless vacuum. Like, whoever came up with a wireless vacuum is a genius, because I absolutely used to dislike vacuuming my house because of always having to plug and unplug the wires. Like, I would totally sweep and vacuum before, but now it's all about vacuum, you guys. Like, it makes the job so much easier. You just have to charge it and then you go ahead and use. And this is also gonna be kind of a cleaning video for my living room and also my hallway. So I'm also going to use my vacuum to go ahead and clean the whole hallway. This next part of the video, we're going to do a thorough wipe down, you guys. Like, I always ask myself, where are all this dust coming from? It's incredible because the windows are always closed, and most times, you know, upon I clean this house almost every single day, guys, and whenever I come to clean, I always discover new dust all over the place, and it leaves me wondering because the windows are always closed. So imagine if the windows are like realistically open every single day. That means like there will be dust all over my house. I don't know where all the dust are coming from upon the fact that we are in winter, guys. Like, it's incredible, honestly. So I always spend time with sometimes I use my LA Awesome spray or my glass cleaner. It all depends. If what I'm cleaning has kind of a glass to it, I use my what's the brand again? Oh my gosh, I forgot the name of the brand, but it's I think Sprayway. Yes, Sprayway glass cleaner. That's what I use, especially like when it comes to frames or glass, or you know, anything that got to do with glass. I like to use my glass cleaner for those. I told you guys we're going to be doing some major wipe down. Like, this glass cleaner is a lifesaver, you guys, because I remember before I discovered this particular cleaner, cleaning glasses or mirrors or, you know, anything that got to do with glass used to annoy me because I would always find myself struggling. Sometimes I would go and use powder to clean the glass, but it doesn't leave it as spotless as this cleaner does. Like, this cleaner is just a lifesaver, you guys. It leaves every single place I use it really, really sparkling clean. And also, of course, I also like to use the microfiber cloths. They both do incredible. Okay, so from my last cleaning video, somebody had told me about steam mops, you guys, so I had to go check them out on Amazon. And to be honest, like, I don't know where I have been, you guys. Like, steam mops are just a lifesaver. I know I've used lifesaver 100 times in this video, but you guys, this right here, it kind of releases heat while mopping, and while you're mopping, you guys, you notice a lot, like I mean a lot of dirt coming out from the floor, wherever you're using it, you guys, it literally like melts down dirt, and then at the same time while you're mopping, all the dirt and all the residue on the floor just keeps coming out. I was so amazed when I used this particular steam mop. So thank you so much. If you're watching this video and you had commented on my last video, I really do appreciate it, because this right here is another lifesaver. So the curtains are fresh, clean, and ready to go. I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall them back on the, what is this called again? Oh my gosh, everything, I just keep forgetting everything. Okay, on the cutting rod, I'm just going to go ahead and attach the curtain on the cutting rod. And one thing I'm so used to doing, you guys, is ironing my curtains. Before, I would just use my iron and iron board, to iron the curtains, because there's just something about ironing your curtain, you guys. Like, how when you hang curtains, they come with wrinkles and things, that it doesn't just look good. So I always like to iron my curtain. But I recently also started using a steam instead of just going through that process of ironing. Steam just makes it so much easier. Like, you guys, try this. If you're used to just getting your cotton maybe from the dry cleaner or from the washer and just hanging it right on your rod, try this. Like, try an iron or steam your cotton, you guys. You will notice, like, it makes it look so much expensive. You know how when you buy a cotton for cheap and then you end up ironing it just takes it to a whole new level. That is one thing I've discovered ever since I started ironing my curtains. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite part of the video, you guys. Like, who doesn't like that time where you just bring out your Christmas tree? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and start working on this Christmas tree. And to be honest, this Christmas tree took me, I think, 4 to 5 hours, you guys. Upon I had help with the twins, but it was just something else, because this year I decided to go with gold, silver, and white for my Christmas tree. Kind of, that's the color I have in mind for the whole living room this year. So we're just going to go ahead and attach the Christmas tree, make it stand up, and then with the help of one of the twins, actually Angel is watching the baby and then Angelique is here helping me out, we're going to start to fluff off the Christmas tree. One thing I hate when it comes to Christmas tree is the fluffing time. Like, I enjoy the ornament time where you have to put ribbons and ornaments and things like that, but I don't enjoy fluffing it. Fluffing it alone took us, I think, about an hour. Me and Angelique, like, it took us an hour to fluff off the Christmas tree, but at the end of the day we were still able to get it done. Let's get started with the decorating, shall we? Alright, so the first thing, of course, that is going to go on my tree is some ribbons. I actually just learned how to put ribbons on your Christmas tree, you guys. I would normally just put on ornaments, but there's just something ribbons does to a Christmas tree. It adds that elegance and that kind of designer look to your Christmas tree, and also at the same time it helps to kind of fill in all the kind of gaps you have on your Christmas tree, because all the fiber on Christmas tree, they are not all the same length. So putting on some ribbons just helps to kind of add in, it kind of helps to cover up all those opening and all those tracks on your Christmas tree. And of course, we're just going to begin to attach our ornaments on the tree. Of course, ignore that clock over there because it ain't right, you guys. I've noticed that the battery actually ran out while editing this video, so I had to go change the battery, because ever since we started this video it's been to 4 and it's still to 4. And the twins, one of the twins is just going to go ahead and put on the lights, and the Christmas tree is almost done. We are not all the way done, you guys, because I still ended up adding more things to the Christmas tree. But after I flocked my Christmas tree myself, I noticed that some of the particles were coming off, so I had to go ahead and also vacuum after we were done putting on the ornaments. And over here I'm gonna go ahead and put on some Christmas skirts. I'm actually using this kind of snow looking um fabric to act as our Christmas skirt. I actually purchased that from Walmart. And over here I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my pillows. I always like to kind of switch my pillow colors depending on what color I'm going for, you know. So I'm going for kind of white and gold and silver for my Christmas decor this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch up my pillows to white and gold. And over here on my console I'm gonna also place some Christmas decor on this particular table right here. And of course this right here is like my favorite part of the living room because I just enjoy kind of switching things up on this particular console table. So on inside this particular bowl I'm gonna go ahead and add some Christmas balls and ornaments. This is just gonna act kind of a decorative piece to the table. Something I enjoy doing is just walking around decorating my house, you guys. This is my current obsession and I'm loving it. And of course, you know, you can't finish a Christmas decor without some stocking and also lantern. And for my coffee table, I wanted to also, you know, go all out for it, you guys. After all, it's my birth month, and of course I probably will be celebrating my birthday this month at home because of all this COVID nonsense going around, you guys. So why not, you know, make it the way you want it? Why not fix your home the way you want it? So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some, you know, ornaments on this kind of leaf tree I purchased from HomeSense. HomeSense and Home Goods is actually my favorite stores when it comes to shopping for my home and also for some decor, you know, for some decor, you guys, not decor, for some decor. I was just laughing at myself while editing this video, you guys, because you can see how focused I am, you know, with these flowers. I got few flowers from Michael's, you know, these are from their Christmas collection. So I got a gold, silver and white. So I'm kind of putting them all together for that vase over there. So I'm just going to go ahead excuse me, and add it to the vase and then go ahead and just adjust it so they look exactly how I envisioned them to look. And then last but not least, we're going to go ahead and fix up our side table because all them tables can be looking right and then the side table is not going to be looking right. So I'm just going to add a Christmas tree of snowflakes and of course our candle, and to tie up the whole living room I'm going to add some throw. This right here is just beautiful. And also, you guys, I was thinking to add some boxes. You know how when you finish with your Christmas tree, you want to have some gift boxes under. So I went and I got these boxes right here, and I didn't want to do too much when it comes to kind of applying ribbon or anything to the tree. So I got these I don't even know what to call these. These was they came from the Dollar Tree. I just got this from Dollar Tree and just went ahead and just tied it on the box. And you guys, after I was done, I was so shocked because for some reason I feel like it looked good. You know, if you don't want to put a lot of thought into your Christmas boxes, you know, you can just use this and tie it and it's all good, you guys. Alright, so the next day I decided to run down to Michael's because I felt like the Christmas tree was kind of empty. Like when you're looking at it from above, it kind of looked empty. So I went to get some picks, some tree picks from Michael's and also some flowers. And for some reason, I just feel like adding the picks and the flowers just kind of tied up the whole entire look, you guys. And this completes my clean and decorate with me video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up because this video took me more than 10 hours to do, you guys. And yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.